Hi guys. So today I'm just asking for feedback on how to improve the channel, specifically in ways that aren't going to involve hours and hours of video editing. I'll get there, but it's a slow process to learn these skills, and I'm really slow at it right now. And I've got so many projects on my plate. Right, besides this channel, I've got my personal music. Right, I write beats and stuff for hip hop and stuff like that. Which I'm going to start doing videos on. I write or music for placement in film and video games and stuff like that, which I'll start doing videos on. I have students like galore. I teach people online. I teach people in real life. So if you're looking for lessons, hit me up. I am even open for people to coming to train in person if they're in the Denver area, or if they're really, really serious and want to come fly out here, drive out here or something to train in person for a week or two or whatever. That's totally possible. But yeah, so getting back to this channel, so any ideas you guys might have, I do have a few things that I've put together that I haven't released yet. So there's this series on sound design and Omnisphere I'm going to do, which is probably going to be a mix between sometimes longer videos where I show you the whole process and just starting from scratch, not knowing where I'm going to end up, or maybe having an idea and just taking you through it. And some of them, which is more retrospective after the fact, those will tend to be a little bit more concise, but you miss some of the creative process, which can be nice too. But yeah, so if you have any ideas, anything that you want covered, I'm going to do one on building PCs for music. I just built this PC, this desktop down here. Right, and then that is connected to this giant 4K television and everything, and all of my gear and whatnot. I might, do some other sundry topics. I kind of want to do some stuff on wave physics and how waves work, and maybe even tie in room acoustics a little bit, and really talk about what you hear versus what you think you're hearing, and how your ears lie to you, how the waves interact inside and outside of the computer and those sorts of things. But if you have ideas, put them in the comments. Even if this video is old, put them in the comments. I'll get the messages, and I'll incorporate them as best as I can. Constructive feedback is good too if you want to see me go about things in a different way. Just remember that everybody learns differently. So keep that in mind, that this might just be good for you, or it might be good for a lot of people, but it's a balancing game, and it's also a craft to improve upon. So no trolling or whatever, that doesn't help anybody. And constructive feedback is nice, and ideas for sure. I've got a ton of ideas, but what I think is going to be useful isn't always what my subscribers think is useful or find exciting. So if there's anything that you want me to cover, I have some more stuff I want to do on music theory. I think that there's a lot of music theory education that's lacking in the producer community right now. So I would love to cover some of that and how to think like a composer. So that would be good. But yeah, let me know, guys. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me on this journey. We're past 700 subscribers now. That's pretty good. Let's see how far we can take this and how much we can learn together. All right, love you all. Take care.